Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to unpublish Wix website. The first thing you want to do once in your Wix dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand column and you're going to select Site and App, and from here I want you to tap on Website. After selecting Website, you're going to select Website Settings. And once you have selected website settings, you are going to see the option Unpublish, as you can see right here. And you'll simply tap on Unpublish and that's it. So let me do that real quick. And you can see once you unpublish your website, your website won't be visible to your visitors. And you could simply tap on Unpublish and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.